In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to directly chat with Leo AI in Brave browser. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open Brave's built-in AI assistant and start a conversation without leaving the page you're on. This is perfect for quick answers, page summaries, brainstorming, or drafting messages as you browse. First, open your Brave browser. You can launch it the same way you normally do on your computer, and any open tab will work. If you're new to Brave, you'll notice it looks a lot like other browsers, with the address bar at the top and your controls on the right. Interfaces can change slightly over time, so if your window looks a bit different from mine, don't worry. The flow is the same. Next, look to the top right of Brave and click the star icon to open Leo AI. This button sits near the address bar and toolbar controls. A single click is all it takes. Think of it as your shortcut to Brave's assistant, so you don't need to open a new site or switch apps. If you already have multiple extensions there, take a second to hover your mouse over the icons until you see the tooltip for Leo. Once you've found it, click and the assistant will slide into view. A panel will appear on the right side of your browser, and you can start chatting with Leo AI immediately. Click into the message box, type your question or task, and press Enter to send. If you want a new line without sending, use Shift+Enter. Ask for quick explanations, summaries of what's on the current page, outlines for a document, or ideas for an email. You can paste text directly into the box if you'd like Leo to analyze something specific, and you can refine your results by replying with follow-up instructions like shorter, more formal, or add bullet points. If a response is helpful, keep the thread going so Leo maintains context. If you want to change topics, simply start a new prompt. Remember not to share private or sensitive information in your messages. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, click the star icon in the top right, and chat from the right side panel. With this setup, you can research faster, draft clearer messages, and get instant help without breaking your browsing flow. Give it a try on your next task, and refine your prompts as you go. The clearer your request, the better Leo's response. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, smarter browsing experience with Leo in Brave.